So hello everyone, today in this quick video I will share with you advice for the newbie programmers or the beginner who try to learn programming or software engineering. So first try to learn the general topics and the general concept like the fundamentals of the programming, the object oriented. After move to know what is the most topics on the software like the front end, the back end, what is the server, what is the database. So uh, when you try to learn any concept or topics, for example, let make fundamentals of programming, how you can write the program. So maybe small program like calculators, to-do list applications. So uh, when you try the first to learn the knowledge or theory of the concept, take the note. So that help you to remember the important things on these topics. After move to the project. So and here the really important step to make project. So the project make you more know and make you more well, and your level is really awesome. So try to make a project, and on every topics you learn, do project. After what? Try to make new features, think about more uh, something to add on your applications. So this is really important, and try to make small documentations of what you do. For example, if you build small applications, calculator, try to describe what you do on this project. Like for example, I make function lists, I build this class, I make this attribute. So all this make on the documentations. So this help other people know what you do on project without asking you what you do. So and the documentations when you will be software engineer, that really important to write professional documentations. And so I think this quick advice just to share with you. Try to learn topics first, go deep on it, try to understand very well. After move to the project and keep your time to build project from zero, or maybe update your latest project. After write the documentations of your project.